Imagine this. You find yourself locked out of your Android phone, but safeguarding your data is paramount. Fret not, as a straightforward solution awaits. Begin by launching your browser and navigating to Google. Enter Dr. Phone in the search bar. Open the first website in search result. Now, locate the free download option. Click on it, initiating the download process. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and click on Install button. After installation, click Start Now. After app launches, select Toolbox from left panel. Now, you'll see several options. Choose first option, Screen Unlock. Now, hit the Unlock Android screen button, triggering the unlock process. Select model of your phone and kaboom! Unlocking process is started and data remains intact. No stress, no hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!